Hi, this is another tutorial session for Oracle PLSQL programming. So, who are watching my videos on PLSQL programming, they might have noticed the videos in my YouTube channel, RK SoftAcademy. I have uploaded many videos on Oracle PLSQL programming. Just for introduction, who are just joining today, and for them I am just repeating the videos which I have already uploaded. So this is the for the very beginner who are actually new to Oracle technologies and who are just learning Oracle and who are make their career or build their career or interested to learn Oracle. So they can just watch all the videos in my YouTube channel RK Soft Academy. So I have uploaded many videos on Oracle different technologies, and so that I just make a review of that for your introduction of all the videos I have uploaded. Okay, so this is the introduction to DBMS who are new learning Oracle. So they just start to from this video and watch this video. What is database management? DBMS stands for database management system. So you just watch this video, you will have you will get to know about what is database and how database is used, and how we can do with the database management system. Okay, so this is the first part of introduction to DBMS, and this is the second part of introduction to DBMS. And there is a complete Oracle SQL video session. You can watch this, and there is a complete Oracle PLSQL programming session. You can just watch this out, or I have uploaded all the very important and very advanced topics on Oracle PLSQL programming, like Oracle cursors. This is the detail about Oracle cursors. What is cursor, how they can be defined, how they can be used to process records. So you will get the detail about Oracle cursor with examples and implementation. Okay, and I have uploaded one video for Oracle exceptions, and what are the Oracle exceptions and what are their use, and how they can be implemented in our Oracle PLSQL programming. You will get to know everything in this video, so keep watching this video from start to end. For each video, whenever you just start watching, just watch it from the start to the end, so that you will get to learn everything about in detail and with example and explanation, and also some new information. Okay, and another video is for Oracle collections. This is very much important for PLSQL programming. You just watch out this, and you will get to know everything about Oracle collections, their implementations. And this is my the website of RK Soft Academy, and there are various courses I've offered, online training courses for all the Oracle technologies like Oracle SQL, Oracle PLSQL, Oracle database architecture and design, and Oracle forms and reports for commercial application development, and various Oracle other advanced topics like Oracle DBA training session, that is for database administration, Oracle DBA training course, and other courses are like Oracle performance tuning, and full complete Oracle PLSQL programming, advanced programming, and also Unix shell scripting course. So I provide all these courses online. So you just watch out my the website to get to know everything about all the courses and other details. Okay, So the other videos for on Oracle technologies like Oracle arrays, how we can implement array in Oracle, and what is the different type of arrays in Oracle, and how we can implement that. This is discussed everything in here in detail. So keep watch it, and you will get to know everything. And this is the very important for performance tuning. Oracle performance tuning explain plan is very much important, and I have uploaded this complete video of explain plan, Oracle explain plan, that is for used for Oracle performance tuning. So this is very advanced topics. Just watch this video completely and will understand everything about the explain plan, and how you can create the explain plan, how you will read the explain plan, and how you can implement it to performance the query. Okay. And next is Oracle Materialist view. This is very advanced topics of Oracle programming, and you just watch out. There are two videos on Oracle Materialist view. This is the part 1 and this is the part 2. So you will get to know everything about Materialist view, and this is very important concept and advanced concept in Oracle PL SQL programming. And this is also used for performance to solve the performance issues, and you will get to know everything about a Materialist view, when it is used, and what is the difference between normal view, Materialist view, in which situation you will create Materialist view in your application. Okay. So that's a introduction all the videos which are in my YouTube channel, and today I'll make another I am just going to take another tutorial session for Oracle PL SQL Records. Okay. So this is very much advanced topics for Oracle PL SQL programming. So I am making this tutorial for Oracle PL SQL Records. I'm just starting this session. Okay. So just keep watching full videos so that you will get to learn everything about the topics, and you will learn it with examples, and whatever applications you can use it. Okay. So just I'm splitting it in two videos. I'll start now, and it may continue with next part of this video. So just keep watch out, and we'll learn everything about Oracle record PL SQL records. So now I am just going to start my session. This session is called PL SQL records. So I'm writing here PL SQL records. Okay. So PL SQL records, what is PL SQL records? So we have to first understand what is PL SQL records. So actually in PL SQL, a record is a data structure that can hold data items of different kinds. Okay. So record consists of different fields. Okay. Whenever we call for we say for like record, it actually consists of different fields. Okay. Similar to a row of a database table, right? So a PL SQL record is a or I can just simply write record, RECORD is a data structure which or that can hold data items of different types. Okay. So now of different types. So a record consists of A record consists of different fields similar to a row. Okay, similar to a row of a database table. Okay, so fine. Okay, for example, you want to keep track of your books, okay, in a library. Let's say you want to keep the track of your books in a library, so you might want to track the following attributes about each book, such as book ID, right? Book ID, and then the title of the book, okay, and then author, or the writer of the book, okay, and subject, on which subject the book is about, okay. So this kind of record, if you want to make it in your if you want to keep the record of all the books of a library, so you have to create a record structure for that, so that with all these fields and containing all these fields for each of the items, so that it allows treating book as a logical unit in your database, right? So when you keep tracking of all these fields in your database object, it will make a logical record for the individual each book, right? So so that is the way you can record the book of your library. We'll see how you can implement that in practical actually. So before that, I want to discuss about what are the types of PLSQL records. So types of PLSQL records, okay. So there are basically three types of PLSQL records. One is table based, next one is cursor based records, and table based records, cursor based records, and last one is user defined records, okay. User defined records, okay. So we'll come to know one by one about table based records, cursor based records, and user defined records in my next video. So that is all about this video. I have started a new topic for Oracle PLSQL records, and already I have discussed what is record and how you can implement the record, in which context you will go for a PLSQL record, and what are the types of PLSQL record, okay. So in the next video I will discuss about all each of these PLSQL record one by one, and how we can create this type of record in our database, and we'll see the example of for each, okay. So thanks for watching this video, and I will be back with the next part of this same topics, that is PLSQL records part 2, okay. So thanks for watching, and just give me a like if you like this video, and subscribe my channel, so that once I have uploaded the video you can get the notification. And if any other comment you want to make, you just comment below the video in the description section, okay. So thanks for watching, and thank you. Bye.